Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily install Snapchat application on your Windows 11. To begin, click on the search bar and type Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store to open. As a next step, in the search bar on the top, type Snapchat. Sometimes you will need to wait up to 30 seconds until the Microsoft Store refreshes. So type Snapchat and click on the app once you see it. As a next step, click Install and wait few seconds up to 1 minute until the download and the installation is completed. Once the download is completed, click on Open. Here you want to select Create Desktop Shortcut and click Allow and wait for a few seconds. You can always allow notifications to occur, or you can just close it. And here you will need to enter the username or the email address or the phone number and enter your details accordingly. You can always go ahead and close, and you will find your Snapchat ready to be used on your desktop.